Apples are a nutritious and delicious fruit that many people enjoy. However, like all good things, apples can be harmful to your health when eaten with certain foods. Today, we will learn about foods that should not be eaten with apples, the reasons for this, and how to enjoy apples more healthily. 1. Dairy products. Avoid eating apples with dairy products such as milk, yogurt, and cheese. Here are the reasons. First, digestive problems. When the acid contained in apples meets the protein in dairy products, it can coagulate in the stomach and interfere with digestion. This can cause symptoms such as abdominal pain, bloating, and indigestion. Second, decreased nutrient absorption. The acid in apples can interfere with the absorption of calcium in dairy products. This can increase the risk of osteoporosis in the long term. Third, allergic reactions. For some people, the combination of apples and dairy products can cause allergic reactions. People with apple allergies should be especially careful with this combination. Instead, if you want to eat apples, it is recommended to eat them at least 30 minutes to 1 hour before and after consuming dairy products. 2. Foods rich in tannin. It is also not good to eat apples and foods rich in tannin, such as green tea, black tea, coffee, and wine, together. First, decreased iron absorption. When pectin contained in apples and foods rich in tannin meet, they interfere with the absorption of iron. This can be a problem especially for people with iron deficiency anemia. Second, indigestion. Tannin can inhibit the secretion of stomach acid, which can interfere with digestion. If the acidity of apples is added to this, you can experience even more severe indigestion. Third, oral health problems. When the acid and tannin in apples combine, they can weaken tooth enamel. This increases the risk of tooth decay and tooth discoloration. If you want to drink green tea or coffee after eating apples, it is recommended to wait at least 30 minutes. 3. Raw vegetables. It is also recommended to avoid eating apples and raw vegetables together. First, digestive problems. Both apples and raw vegetables are rich in fiber. If you eat them together, you may feel indigestion or bloating due to excessive fiber. Second, decreased nutrient absorption. The acidic components of apples can interfere with the absorption of nutrients from some vegetables. In particular, the absorption rate of folic acid and vitamin C may be reduced. Third, gas production. If you eat apples and raw vegetables together, excessive fermentation may occur in the intestines, which may produce a lot of gas. This may cause abdominal bloating or discomfort. If you want to eat vegetables, it is better to eat them at an interval from the apple, or lightly boil the vegetables before eating. 4. High-fat foods. It is also not good to eat apples and fatty foods, such as fried foods, chicken, and pizza, together. First, delayed digestion. When the fiber in apples and high-fat foods meet, they stay in the stomach for a long time, delaying digestion. This can cause symptoms such as bloating and heartburn. Second, rapid increase in blood sugar. If you eat apple, fructose and high-fat foods together, your blood sugar may rise rapidly. This can be especially dangerous for people with diabetes, or those who need to control their blood sugar. Third, excessive calorie intake. Apples themselves contain calories, and when combined with high-fat foods, this can lead to excessive calorie intake. If you want to eat apples as a snack, it is recommended to leave at least 2 hours between them and a high-fat meal. 5. Onions and garlic. It is also recommended to avoid eating apples, onions, and garlic together. First, indigestion. The acid in the apple and the sulfur compounds in the onions and garlic can irritate the stomach. This can cause heartburn or indigestion. Second, taste changes. When the sweetness of the apple and the strong flavor of the onions and garlic meet, it can be difficult to properly enjoy each flavor. Third, bad breath problems. The acid in the apple and the flavor of the onions and garlic can cause bad breath after eating a dish containing onions or garlic. It is recommended not to eat apples right away, but to leave a gap. How to enjoy apples more healthily. 1. Eat at the right time. It is best to eat apples on an empty stomach. It is recommended to eat it 30 minutes before breakfast, or as a snack between meals. 2. Eat with the skin. Apple skin contains many nutrients and fiber. If possible, eat with the skin, but remove the stem and seeds. 3. Chew slowly and well. If you chew apples slowly and well, they are easy to digest, and you feel full for a long time. 4. Do not eat with other fruits. Apples are best eaten alone. If you eat them mixed with other fruits, they can be difficult to digest. 5. Eat in moderation. It is recommended to eat 1 to 2 apples a day. Excessive consumption can be harmful to your health. Apples are healthy fruits rich in vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber. However, like all foods, apples can be harmful to your health. If eaten with certain foods, it is recommended not to eat dairy products, foods rich in tannin, raw vegetables, high-fat foods, onions, and garlic with apples. If you avoid these combinations and practice ways to enjoy apples more healthily, you will be able to enjoy the health benefits of apples to the fullest. However, reactions may vary depending on individual constitution and health condition. So it is recommended to carefully observe your body condition and consult a specialist if necessary. Apples are not just snacks, but natural gifts that protect your health. It is important to enjoy apples in the right way and create healthy eating habits. I hope this information will help you form healthy eating habits. If you want more health information and tips for improving eating habits, please subscribe to our channel and like and set up notifications. We support your healthy life.